This is the Sanus full motion TV mount, designed to hold TVs 37 to 90 inches up to 150 pounds. With this heavy-duty mount, you can easily extend your TV up to 24 inches out from the wall, allowing you to swivel your TV up to 35 degrees left and right if you're using a 75-inch TV. Place your screen back to 3.5 inches from the wall for a clean look. You can easily extend, swivel, and tilt your TV down up to 15 degrees without any tools. Perfect for eliminating glare from lights and windows, or to get a better viewing experience if you need to mount your TV above a fireplace. This mount can be installed on wood studs a minimum of 16 inches apart and a maximum of 24 inches apart, or on concrete. Hardware is included for both. Sanus includes a comprehensive TV hardware pack to fit most TVs on the market today. The neat part about this mount is you can place the arm assembly any place you like along the wall plate. Shift the arms up to 16 inches left or right. You can easily fit an outlet or box within the wall plate so your cords can be managed behind your mounted TV. Since this is a full motion mount, you can easily hook up and route your cables from your TV within the mount arm to your components and power supply. Use the included cable covers for a sleek, modern look. We also include covers to hide the wall plate hardware. Since this mount comes mostly pre-assembled, it takes less guesswork and time to install. It easily comes together in 20 minutes in just 3 steps. Simply attach your TV brackets to the back of your TV. Secure the wall plate to your wall and hang your TV on the mount arm. We even included a worry-free drill template to make sure you only drill one set of holes in your wall. Easily level your TV after installation if things don't end up just right. If you're looking for a completely cord-free installation, we sell in-wall power kits for wall-mounted TVs and TVs with a soundbar mounted on the wall as well. Don't want to cut any holes in your wall? We have on-wall cable tunnel options you can paint the same color as your wall. Sanus is the #1 selling TV mount brand in the US. All Sanus wall mounts are rigorously safety tested and UL certified. This mount features a 5-year warranty, and we back it up with our expert customer care team. If you have any questions, give us a call.